Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are only going to look at the smaller time frames, so I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. Before we go into dive in, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links in the descriptions. You'll also find a handful of affiliate links, feel free to check them out. Alright, cool, let's dive into the charts, and we're starting off here with BTC USD pair on the 4 hourly. Now what I don't like is that we just printed here a red dot, and that signals that we might see a little bit more downwards action. Also the RSIs are split. Actually it would be nice to see if we can go higher, and the RSIs are tightening up. One sign that said that we might go higher is that it looks like the 4 hourly money flow is maybe curving to the upside, and the fact that we have two waves here to the upside looks like that the price might want to go a little bit higher. So a bit of mixed signals. If we're going to the hourly, that we're seeing that it looks like we now want to print a red dot, but the money flow at the same time looks like it wants to curve down. VWAP up is off and the RSIs are up, so also a little bit of mixed signals. If I'm zooming in, then we're seeing that we had the fake out here. Of course we retested here the bottom, went higher, breakout, going lower, retest the resistance which flipped into support, and then we see this crazy wick down, and that was the Fed that started talking. That said we are not going to change our policy, we will rise the interest rate, we'll do whatever is necessary to get the inflation down. And therefore the price went lower and then flipped back up again, and now we are trading above our support and resistance range here of the triangle, which I could make the case, you know what, maybe this is still kind of a valid breakout, but it's just so weak. So I actually want to see this momentum wave going higher, going up, put the money flow back in there, and the VWAP going higher, and then just for us going really high, because so far we're really seeing, or we're really missing that the buyer stepping in and the price going higher. I really hope that was going much faster, but so far we have not seen that yet. What I am afraid of is that if we don't see those buyers stepping in anytime soon, that this starts grinding and eventually rolls over, and then we go much lower, and then I'm afraid this 29k, that daily support that we already have seen multiple times, that so far is holding 6 or 7 days in a row, will also not hold, and then we are going lower. So I really want us buyers to step in right now as soon as possible. Maybe go to approximately that 34k to the CME gap, and there's also some other resistances with a golden pocket, I believe, and then maybe going lower again. But so far this just looks pretty weak, because yes, we are making higher lows all the time, but it is not a lot. So yeah, we have to see. It's going to be exciting. I think within a day or 2 days it will be decided if this thing is really finding the fuel to go high and the buyer stepping in, or that we're just still lacking the pace and we're going down. I think it will be decided very soon. One thing that maybe is in our favor is the DXY, that's the dollar index, and we're seeing now that it looks like we might be topping out. Now to be honest, I also thought here that we're topping out, and then we even went a little bit higher, but it looks like maybe now we're topping out, and that ends then after a period of a almost parabolic run to the upside. And you know what to say, if the DXY is running up, then BTC is dumping down, and if this thing dumps down, then maybe we have some fuel for BTC to go higher. That would be nice. A few things that we're signaling is that the RSI going down. We have a bearish crossing here on the MACD, and if I pull up market chart B, then we have the VWAP going down and the RSI a little bit. We have seen these red dots already multiple times, never really playing out, but who knows this time. So this is something that I am looking out for. If the DXY is losing strength and going lower, then I think BTC will find strength to go higher, and then again my target is approximately 34k. Not only is that of course the target here from the triangle, we already talked about that multiple times, but it's also again the CME gap, so that will be nice, and I think also a golden pocket. Quickly head over to ETH. There we see exactly the same. We also had a fake out, going lower, retesting the bottom, that is support, breakout, now getting back to the support resistance, so flipped it. Then we had the talk of the Fed. Then we had the talk of the Fed, going lower, testing exactly support here at the bottom line of the triangle, then pumping back up, and now we are trading above. So yeah, maybe kind of we can still see this as a bullish breakout of this triangle, but to be honest, it's missing the strength, it's missing the momentum, and it's missing the volume. So I'm staying careful on my trades here. Now full transparency, I said yesterday I am long on BTC and on ETH, that was on this bullish divergence right here. Of course, I closed my trade because if I open up a trade based on a 30-minute, then I will not keep it open for multiple days. You should probably hold or close your position on the daily on multiple days, and also not on the 5 minutes. You most likely will not keep it open for a long time unless it flows over to other time frames, but that is usually not the case. So I closed it here in a profit. That was nice, and now I'm just scalping a little bit during the day. I missed this move, the dump down and the pump back up, because I was in an AMA, but other than that, yeah, so far it looks kind of okay. But like I said, I want us bulls to step in as soon as possible, because if that doesn't happen, I'm afraid things are going to roll over. As always, we're going to take it by a day. That is just how the market is right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, when you're down there anyways, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. And I'll see you guys very, very soon again in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.